Lily, on some planets, it rains diamonds.
Diamonds? From the sky?
This one is covered in ice.
It looks cold and quiet.
Let's visit these strange planets.
A real alien tour! We are invited to the Star Explorer program.
This is our chance to see it all. Wow, this ship can travel far.
Farther than any rocket before. Time to suit up, for real.
Our first stop, the Diamond Rain planet. Helmet sealed.
Ready to explore.
Launching now. Hold on tight.
Let's go! See the galaxy! We are moving so fast.
Almost at the Diamond Rain planet. Gear on for Diamond Rain.
Almost ready to land.
Touchdown on the Diamond Rain planet.
I can't wait to see it. The sky is so blue here.
Keep your umbrella ready.
These pieces look like glass.
Or maybe tiny diamonds. It's starting, the Diamond Rain.
Stay under the umbrella. It's beautiful, but a little scary.
Stay close, we are safe. Look, a real diamond.
Wow! Let's take one to study.
These towers,
Are made of crystal.
the rain, built them over time. Do you hear that? A humming sound.
Maybe the crystals are singing. This is amazing to watch.
Nature on another planet.
Next stop, the Glass Rain planet.
The wind there is faster than any storm on Earth. Magnetic boots locked.
We'll need them to stay standing.
Touchdown in a safe canyon.
Better to land here than out in the open. The rain is flying sideways.
The wind is too strong for it to fall straight. Scanner says it's melted rock, not water.
Rain made of tiny glass drops.
Hold on tight, big gust coming!
I'm not going anywhere. It's cool and perfectly smooth.
The wind polished it like a jewel. Goodbye, Glass Rain planet.
Next stop, a moon where rivers flow, but not with water. It looks cozy and orange.
It's freezing cold under those clouds. Oxygen tanks on. This air isn't safe to breathe.
Ready for the cold and the haze.
Touchdown on the methane moon.
That lake looks so still. Is this water?
No, it's liquid methane. Too cold for water here. It's raining, but so slowly.
Low gravity makes it drift like feathers.
Got one. It's freezing cold.
This whole moon runs on methane instead of water. A whole river not made of water.
Just like Earth's rivers, but here, everything is methane. Goodbye, methane moon.
Next stop, a planet where even metal falls from the sky. Half of it is glowing white hot.
The other half is freezing dark. Bronze plating, on. It reflects the heat.
We can only land on the dark side.
Touchdown, on the night side.
Just enough light to see by. These little beads are metal.
The heat turns metal into gas on the bright side. It's starting. The iron rain.
Metal cooling down into raindrops.
Look, a raindrop made of iron.
Let's take it to study back home. The bright side is coming closer.
Time to go before it gets too hot. That was close, but worth it.
4 planets, 4 kinds of rain.
Diamonds, glass, methane, iron.
And Earth still has the best rain of all. Remember?
Diamond, glass, methane, iron.
4 new words from 4 amazing skies.
Is that a new planet?
Looks like our next adventure has already begun.
Thank you for exploring with us. See you next time.